Here's how to make my maple tuiles from my new book, My Vermont Table. You just need a half a cup of maple sugar and then half a stick of European butter or high-fat butter. Make sure that it's softer than room temperature, and you're just going to smush it up. Smush it, smush it, smush it. 1 egg white, room temperature. Salt. Vanilla bean paste. King Arthur Baking Company's all-purpose unbleached flour. A dollop of the batter. Smear it 2 inches wide, and then use a spatula to draw it down into a thin rectangle 2 inches by 4 inches. Make sure you spread it thin enough that you can see the light through the tuile, and you need a silicone baking mat, otherwise it will stick. Off to the oven, just for a few minutes. While they're still warm, roll them up. You can get this recipe for maple tuiles and so much more goodness in my new book, My Vermont Table. So get your supplies at King Arthur Flour, get your heart ready to go, and make some sweetness.